Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix iPhone stuck on home critical alert, how to get rid of critical alert on iPhone as well. Well, if there is a triangle red color sign coming in front of you all the time and even a notification comes in front that there is a critical alert into your iPhone, then how to fix it? Then home would like send a critical alerts again and again and again, and you will not be able to use anything. But for that, you can actually give a force restart to your iPhone, and that actually considered as a quickest solution for this problem. For that, you actually need to press and hold this volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold this power button until you see the Apple logo onto your screen. Let us do it once for you. Simply press and hold this volume up button, down button, and then press and hold this power button until you see the Apple logo onto your screen. Don't worry what is happening onto your screen if it is getting completely black like this. You just need to wait for the Apple logo to come in front like this. Now you can leave the button. Now it will actually take 20 seconds maybe, approx, or 30 seconds to just get it back again, and then your phone will start working well and there should be no alerts into it and nothing, because force restart is actually considered as the quickest solution for all these kind of small glitches coming in front of you again and again. So if you are also facing these kind of problems in some other areas as well, like camera is not working, settings is not opening, your phone just gets stuck onto some screen, then also you can use these kind of things like quickly force restart it so that you can go ahead and work with it. So I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the idea how to do so. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.